Good morning, students. It's math time. Today's topic representing data collected on a dot plot. The first thing I want you to do today is to look at the following graphs and write the correct name for each graph on the lines. So look clearly at the graphs. Now let's pay attention to what a dot plot is. A dot plot is also known as a line plot. It is a type of graph that displays data using dots. A dot plot has a number line that is long enough to cover all the numbers in a survey. So if more than one data entry falls on the same position, they are stacked up. For example, below is a dot plot showing the distribution of scores. The scores are between 0 and 10, and it is of 20 students on a quiz. So each of the yellow dots in the figure represents one of the 20 students. So the following dot plot tells us that 5 students score a 10 on the quiz because there are 5 dots on the number 10. It also tells us that 2 students score a 9 on the quiz because there are 2 dots on the number 9. And 4 students score an 8 because there are 4 dots on the number 8. Also, 4 students score a 7 because there are 4 dots on the number 7. Now, can you tell me how many students score a 6 on the quiz? You got it. 2 students score a 6 because there are 2 dots on the number 6. 1 student score a 5 because there is 1 dot on the number 5. And 0 students score a 4 because we don't have any dot on the number 4. And so on. For your activity now, you will use the following data to do a dot plot. So you will show the scores obtained in a quiz by representing each with a dot. You will use the following number line to represent the data on the dot plot. For example, we will count how many students score a 5 on the quiz, and we are going to do it by counting how many 5s we have on the following data. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 5s. That means that 3 students score a 5 on the quiz. So to represent it on the dot plot, we are going to draw 3 dots on the number 5. And we will draw it like this. One on top of the other. So we stack them up. And just like that, you're going to do for the other scores. Please don't forget that if more than one student get the same score, you stack them up on the dot plot. Just like how I did. When you finish, please send a picture of your work to your teacher.